Okay, so here's the next equation. N squared plus 4n plus 3. How do you want to think about those numbers?
Well, this time you could start out at 1 again.
Okay, start out at 1.
Well, 1 squared plus 4 plus 3, so 5 plus 3 would be 8.
Okay. So how do you want to make that 8 as a shape to represent n squared plus 4n plus 3?
Well, we could make, since we're adding, we're adding 3 things here before we were adding 2, so we could make a 2 by 2 cube because we're adding 3 things here.
Ooh, that's an interesting idea. I didn't think about that. We're adding 3 things. What are the 3 things we're adding?
Well, we have the n squared.
Okay, what's that?
N squared is 1 squared is 1.
Okay.
Plus 4n is 5.
Uh-huh.
And plus 3 is 8.
Okay.
Almost ready. So, here is the 2 by 2 cube.
That's very interesting for n equals 1. Okay.
Well, but hold on. Before we got 8 too.
Oh, that's interesting.
Maybe we'll get the same.
Huh.
Let's see. Well, with n equals 2, you have 4. N squared is 4. Plus 8 is 12.
Okay.
Plus 3 is 15. Hey, that's the same thing we got before.
Huh. Well, how do you want to represent that 15 with the n squared?
Well,
plus
again, we could make it in the third dimension, so we can make it this 4 long.
Okay, what that represents this?
That would represent the yeah, it would.
Okay.
So then, well, then we would have 4n.
Remember, n is 2 here, so now we've got to add 8 more on.
3. So, and then plus 3. Well, this looks like it's too big.
You can make it however you want. I don't mind how you make it.
Let's just make it in the, maybe we can make it a 3. Maybe we can make it in the same thing. We can make 5 rows of 3 this time.
How would that correspond to the n squared plus 4n plus 3 then?
Well, we'd have to have something of, we'd have 4 of something,
Uh-huh.
and then 8, and then 3.
Okay.
Well, if we put them together in that cube format, we could put them. It's gonna have to be a 3-dimensional shape,
Okay.
but we can't. 15 only has 2 divisors, 3 and 5, so we can't make a 3-dimensional shape. But we can make correspondent for 4, and then
What could you make for the n squared here for that 4?
you could make like a 4 long bit,
Okay.
and then 4n is 8,
Alright.
and you can make an 8 long,
Okay, so you have a 4 long and an 8 long.
and then you have a 3 long.
Okay.
You make all of them like this. That's the 8 long, that's the 4 long, and that's the 3 long. So
Okay.
you can do it like sort of like that. Maybe we could do that for this one too.
Ooh, okay, you want to go back and do that for n equals 1?
N is 1, so we have 2, so 2 times, but, oh yeah, that equation, n squared, 1, 4n would be 4, plus 3 is 3. So, look at that.
Okay, so that now you did 1,
And plus 3.
1, 4, 3. Okay, that's interesting. All right, so let me just make a new movie for the next one, okay?
Yep.
For 3.